In this video, I'm going to show you how I use one single candle to understand liquidity sweep before we got distribution lower. If you remember the previous video, I talked about the basic market structure. When price continue to break structure, I retracement back into key level before we got another break of structure. When price hit the high time key level and then break the low that price left here, you see, price left this low before we got this break of structure and close back go market structure shape before we retracement into 50% premium level price displacement lower. How you can understand this using one candle, so you can save yourself a lot of time without looking to lower time frame on the side to understand is there really break of structure or not. Understand this, the concept of one single candle. You see, the 5 a.m. candle price takes out previous candle high and close within the price range. You see, price take previous candle high and close within there. So your expectation for this 9 a.m. candle to continue this restaurant lower. By the way, this is Nasdaq price action on 4-hour time frame. If you want to 1 hour time frame, you can see what this 1 hour FBG. So the moment 9 a.m. candle 4-hour candle offering really retrace back into this 1 hour FBG and got this big expansion into this sell side liquidity. You see, price took at this buy side liquidity for displacement below and retracement into FBG before displacement low. So the entire concept on lower time frame will be the market structure shape after we talk about liquidity sweep above or close below. So you can save yourself a lot of time when you come to try to predict the market. You don't need to wait to lower time frame and try to understand is that break of structure or no. Just wait straight to higher time frame, at least 4 hour, daily, weekly, whenever time frame you are trading. If you are doing trading, your focus should be based on weekly time frame. If you are day trading, your focus should be on daily time frame. If you are scalping, your focus should be on 4 hour time frame. Try to understand is that market try to go higher or lower. That's what you're gonna do. This price action or lower time frame is the exact what happened based on this 4 hour time frame. You see, price take a liquidity and close below. You see this funding start rejection inside that level. It show you that price start retracement into the level before. So the moment I see that, it is kind of like clean sort of, because why? This rejection is a rejection back into the key level for the next 4 hour candle. You see, you are not expecting more deep retracement when you got this rejection right after we took our liquidity sweep and close within that. When you got this rejection, you see those small rejection, it shows you that price start retracement into the high time frame key level. So in this case, for 1 hour FBG, we got 3 minute 10-cent delivery. This is how every form. The moment price tap this 1 hour FBG, you will start looking for the consecutive bullish candle that reach that level. So whenever price close below them, it shows you that price shift in the structure from bullish level to bearish level. So that will be your entry, and then target wherever you are targeting is a liquidity for. If you are like hit based trader, whether you are targeting like 2 hours 3 hours, you can target whatever you are looking for. But me mostly I target 1 to 1 to 3 is to our ratio. Price aggressively displacement all the way to sell side liquidity for one, and I see it at 1 to 3 is to our ratio. That's how you can use one candidate for the market move without hesitation or try to understand is that market strategy, or just use one single candle. Understand the structure of one single candle, you can apply it on lower time frame. So without further ado, I hope you find this video helpful and enjoyable. If you did, hit the like button and also subscribe for more content like this. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.